Hey everyone, Dr. Ron here. Dr. Ron Unfiltered, Uncensored. I am your host every weekday at 7 p.m. live on Tuesday evenings. Tuesday evenings at 7 p.m. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, we are a podcast. We are on demand and we can be listened to at any time, unlike a radio program. If you have questions about your medical care, what decisions you should make, and you don't want to be clueless, give us a listen. We are here for you.
Yo, hey man, the doctor's in town. Oh yeah, the doctor's in the house, y'all. He's in the house, man. Let's listen to this man. He got some good news for you. Hey man, listen. Hey everybody, gather near. The doctor's in the house, so lend him your ear.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, give us a try. Lend us your ear so that we can bring you the shows that you really enjoy. So, ladies and gentlemen, this past week we had a great program on ozone with Tobias Siegel, and we learned all the ins and outs of ozone, what it can be used for, why you might want to consider having it at your disposal by using oxygen instead of a oxygen concentrator. So if you have a chance, give us a listen. This is our latest podcast on ozone. This coming week, we will have the author of The Art of Ginseng. Uh, the school year is starting, and inevitably children will be coming home with a number of ailments. Alexis Brink is a trained expert with nearly 3 decades of experience. She has written a new how-to guide, as you can see here, The Art of Ginseng. And this will show the readers, and you will hear on our podcast this coming Tuesday, how this little known practice can change your health and that of your child, all for the better. Here are some examples of how this can help common childhood ailments. It can help with the flus by holding the top of the shoulder blade and each of the fingers to boost the immune system. It can heal stomach pains by certain placing of the hands. It can heal headaches by holding the big toes, and it can help anxiety by holding the index finger. So this will be this coming Tuesday. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is my first of 3 times a week updates on the podcast. This is Dr. Ron. Our podcast is Dr. Ron Unfiltered, Uncensored. We are on Blog Talk Radio, and we also have a studio number, 347-989-8899, where you can call in and listen, and if need be, you can ask some questions. So thank you for listening, and we'll see you on the